I was born in this country, but I grew up in England. It was an abusive household. Every opportunity I had, I was a chronic runaway. Okay, I came back to the States, did some high school in Trumbull, Connecticut. Then I tried a variety of colleges and universities, and I excelled at flunking out. So, joined the Army. Trained as a paramedic and started jumping out of airplanes. During the Vietnam era, it was mainly with the TIE Rangers in rescue. I have 96 jumps. One day at Whiteman Air Force Base, I was in my flight suit and stepped out of base operations, and imagine a marionette, and suddenly you just cut with scissors, strings, the marionette puppet just flops down. It was one of the early symptoms of the multiple sclerosis. I was 41. People have always said why do something, and I always responded, why not? And I have brought that into my life with MS as it progressed and as I lost my abilities. My way is not to fight the MS, but to say, okay, it is going to happen. But when it does, I'm going to have a good memory when I move on to the next phase. My last time skiing downhill, Breckenridge in Colorado, I went down the main slope with my little sister. She said, "You're not doing this." I said, "Watch me." I went down it wearing a bikini. Okay. My last time ice skating. I loved to ice skate. I was never very good. Not at all. But I could fall in some of the most theatrical ways. However, my last time ice skating in Rockefeller Center with all the Christmas decorations and everything. So my memory of ice skating ends with something nice. I have no use of my right arm and right hand. So I had been relying on my left. And I was losing more and more of my motor skills in my left hand. The Carbonhand, it basically has reawakened and helped me regain the strength and coordination in my left hand. I would have trouble using a zipper, and now I can use a zipper because I've regained the dexterity and the strength. The toggle, I mentioned earlier that it has a range of about 13 miles. This has helped regain some of the muscle strength so that I can make use of that 13-mile range. I had what I would call a Gomer Pyle moment. Okay, I would experiment picking up a glass or a mug. It was like, well, all me. Hey, world, look at me. I didn't say that, but I was thinking it. And it then became, I wonder if this is going to still happen when I take it off, if I can still. And so I wore it for a few days, then took it off. What do you know? The hand learned how to do it again. The muscles are working. The world is such a wonderful place. And whatever your challenge, it's only as big as you allow it to be. I went through all sorts of hoops, hills, speed bumps, and the reward was I met my true soulmate and have been blessed to be in a fantastic marriage for coming up on 10 years. I found that being a member of a team is a whole bunch better than trying to do it alone. The world is a wonderful place if you allow it to be.